Today we're on another Arizona adventure here in a place not known to a lot of people, considering we're not far from Sedona, which is kind of a tourist magnet around these parts. It's called Wet Beaver Creek. We're heading to a place called the Crack. Well, it looks like people are streaming into the trailhead here. Lots about filled up. And here comes my lovely wife to join me on the hike today. So, quick look at the trailhead itself with very important instructions, especially about fires this time of year. And then this is a quick look at the trail that we're going to be hiking. It's about 3 miles back, roughly flat, based on the trail logs I've read. So we're 2 miles in, and still no signs of water. We heard the water, we just didn't see it. There were signs of water, just no signs of water over here. Maybe it's for dramatic video impact.
Oh.
We could die.
We could. We have no water. We see no water. We hear no water. We have no water.
Yes, it's up to the wilderness, and we're taking Bell Trail up to the left, to the promised land. We're almost done with this hike on the Bell Trail in Wet Beaver Wilderness area. And we were a little bummed because we were looking all over. We had heard about petroglyphs, and lo and behold, within our last half mile of the hike, we come across some. There's one here, looks like a spiral, which is commonly like a sun.
Some sort up here.
Yep. And then up here, looks like a deer. Maybe some.
It's pretty cool.
So that's probably why we didn't see them on the way up, is because they were on a rock facing the other way. But my hike is now complete because I really am appreciate me some petroglyphs.